Welcome back to my channel. You've already mastered the basics in level 1. Now it's time to speak English confidently in real life. In this level 2 lesson, we'll practice real conversation patterns, common phrases and responses, pronunciation and tone, and short dialogues you can use anywhere. So if you're ready to sound fluent, let's get started. Let's start with everyday greetings. Most learners say only hello or how are you, but there are many better options. Try these instead. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. How have you been? What's up? When replying, avoid robotic answers like, I'm fine, thank you. Use these, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Pretty good. How about you? Can't complain. Chapter 2. Small talk made easy. Small talk helps you start any conversation at work, school, or even in an elevator. Here are some conversation openers. Beautiful day, isn't it? That meeting was interesting. You look familiar. Have we met before? Now, practice short dialogues. A. Hey, how's your day going? B. Not bad, just a bit busy. U. A. Any plans for the weekend? B. Just relaxing at home. U. Tip. Smile. Keep your tone friendly and listen actively, not just speak. Chapter 3. Polite English. Voice. Over. Fluent English isn't just about grammar, it's about politeness and tone. Instead of direct sentences, use softer versions. Direct, polite. Give me water. Could I please have some water? Wait here. Would you mind waiting here? I want coffee. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Practice tip. Say these aloud with natural pauses. Tone changes everything. Chapter 4. Daily routine. Talk. Let's practice describing your day, a common speaking test topic. Example. I wake up around 7 a.m., then I brush my teeth and get ready for work. I usually take the bus and I reach my office by 9. After work, I relax, watch some shows, or read a book. Challenge. Record yourself talking about your day. Use present simple tense and linking words like then, after that, usually, finally. Chapter 5. Office and school conversations. Now, let's learn phrases for professional or academic life. At work or school, could you please send me the report? Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. I'll get back to you soon. That sounds like a great idea. Useful responses. Sure, no problem. Thanks for letting me know. I'll take care of it. Fluency tip. Use natural fillers. Actually, I think, maybe, but don't overuse them. Chapter 6. Everyday expressions. These are expressions native speakers use daily, and you can too. Common English expressions, no worries, means it's okay, take your time, means don't rush. I'm in the mood for pizza tonight. It's up to you. You decide. That makes sense. I understand. Mini quiz. How would you say don't worry in another way? Correct. No worries. Chapter 7. Making and accepting plans. Want to sound confident while making plans? Examples. Do you want to grab lunch? Let's hang out this weekend. What time works best for you? Accepting invitations? Sure, that sounds great. I'd love to. Declining politely. I'd love to, but I already have plans. Maybe next time. Tip. Your tone should stay friendly, even when saying no. Chapter 8. Handling mistakes and apologies. Don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them, but it's important to know how to apologize naturally. Examples. I'm so sorry about that. My bad. Informal. I didn't mean to. Thanks for understanding. Practice. Tip. Pair apology with gratitude. Sorry I'm late. Thanks for waiting. Outro. And that's it for Level 2, Daily English Practice. You've learned how to start conversations, be polite, describe your day, and speak naturally. If you made it this far, amazing job. Keep practicing out loud, record yourself, and listen to native English daily. Hit like, subscribe, and comment. I'm level 2 ready, so I know you're learning with me. Next up, level 3, speak English fluently in any situation. This is Leering Channel, helping you speak confidently, one lesson at a time.